when I've got the news, I was so happy and I was confident also कि मैं इसको अच्छे से brought up करूँगी. वैसे तो हर औरत सोचती है कि माँ बनने के बाद क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना. वैसे मैंने भी सोचा था. I'm really happy to be a mother. इसको जैसे जैसे मैंने सीखा है, जैसे संस्कार मेरे ऊपर हुए हैं, I'm trying to give him the best. जब ये आया, जब इसका अराइवल होने वाला था, I was damn cool. मुझे मतलब I was so confident कि ये बच्चा इतने अच्छी तरह से आएगा और मुझे कोई तकलीफ भी नहीं होगी. और वैसे ही हुआ, शांति से आया. When I saw him, I kissed him. So it's a lovely feeling to be a mother.
So it was altogether once we got the news that she is pregnant. For me, it was more of a pressure that a number of responsibilities are going to add on with me. I have to take care of her, along with that the new life which is going to add into our family. So altogether, it was a mixed feelings altogether, you can say.
They'd just been on a holiday, and I think it was time as well. A child is always good to cement a relationship. So I think they were ready for the next step. Because she was expecting, she was going through a very unique phase of a woman's life, I suppose. So, there were the joys and there was the slight anxieties that go with motherhood, the changes. She was a very, very good mother, in terms of all her eating, taking care of herself, going for her walks. Yes, it was good for all of us, I think, to be here at that time. So yes, it was good to have them. And when they left, I know Gauri called me the next day to say, "I'm missing you all, and I want to come back," kind of thing.
When I heard Gauri was expecting, it was quite unexpected. And this expectation of some baby has been there for many months, and I know Gauri to 100% wanted a baby for a long time.
I was much more worried because I wanted that everything should go smooth during the pregnancy, nothing should be complicated or something like that. So once he came and I was just crying, I was not aware कि क्या करूँ क्या.
Obviously, when she was here, we always had this sense कि वो जैसे घर में तुम्हारा बच्चा आता है, so you have to take care of her. So there was a lot of we tried to make sure that at that time she heard as much of mantras and nice things so that her delivery would be nice and easy. But yeah, it did add a little थोड़ा tension on us. In fact, जब ये बोल रहे थे कि हम इधर आएंगे, one night me and Vishy sat and we discussed, okay, this big responsibility and stuff like that. But everything turned out good, so that is good.
It was more of a time bond thing, and it was more of a responsibility added once Aditya was in the house. And there was n number of compulsions, there were n number of responsibilities which has added to me, and I feel myself more mature.
आशीष खुद एक बच्चा था, पर जब से फादर बनाया तब से आशीष खुद भी बच्चा भी बनता है और इसको भी बच्चा बनने देता है. तो दोनों का झगड़ा होता है बीच में कि कौन बच्चा है इसमें से. आशीष is doing his job best and is the best father in the world. The best father in the world. जो भी नहीं सीखा था लाइफ में, आशीष is learning and आशीष is trying to implement on it and he is doing a great job. Aditya is having a great father. When he sees Ashish, he starts dancing, he starts shouting, he runs towards him whenever he comes at home, and he smiles. इसको कभी रोते हुए ज़्यादा देखा ही नहीं. He's not that creepy child. कि ये चाहिए वो चाहिए. हाँ, अभी अभी थोड़ा सा डेवलपमेंट है. No, see this habit. Comes in my godi, and then I have to sing a song. This is the way we brush our teeth, and he starts dancing. When we go to the loo, he comes behind us. These all habits will remember for lifetime.
So whenever I used to come at home, he actually yell, "Papa" that time. So I want that habit should continue for the entire lifetime.
एक्चुअली मेरी बहुत इच्छा थी कि मैं मिलिट्री में जाऊँ या आई शुड डू समथिंग फॉर द कंट्री. लाइक आई वांटेड टू बी अ स्पोर्ट्समैन. मेरा ड्रीम था कि मैं स्पोर्ट्समैन बनूँ और इंडिया के लिए खेलूँ या आई शुड गो इन अ मिलिट्री एंड डू समथिंग फॉर माय कंट्री. आई वांट माय चाइल्ड टू डू समथिंग लाइक दिस, बट आई डोंट वांट टू फोर्स हिम. आई होप कि इन दोनों चीज़ों में वो नहीं जाएगा, फिर भी he will do something good for his country. He should be a responsible citizen of this country. That's what I wanted. और इसके बाजू में भी जो लोग हैं वो भी इसी thoughts के हों.
The event what we have planned for today in orphanage, the simple reason of planning it, his first birthday particularly at that place, that he should see and he should do something good for a people who are not able to find all those things what he is getting in with.
मन मस्त मगन बस तेरा नाम दोहराए. ओ चाहे भी तो भूल न पाए. मन मस्त मगन बस तेरा नाम दोहराए. मन मस्त मगन तेरा नाम दोहराए.
Tamil sing.
And these things he should understand for everyone, so that he should be more of helpful nature for the people who are around him, and he should understand कि whatever thing God has given to him, he should
Grateful for
give
that.
that more to people over there, so that the chain of energy will keep on flowing to him. So that is the main reason of creating that event, particularly on his birthday. Once he will see it after 5 years, 10 years, he should remember that something has good his parents have done for those people, and he has to continue that thing for his lifetime.
आज जो भी हम लोग कुछ कर रहे हैं आदित्य को ये सिखाने के लिए कि खुशी बस खुद में सीमित नहीं रहती है. ऐसे लोगों में भी हमको बांटना चाहिए जो जिनके पास अपने पास जो भी चीज़ है उनके पास नहीं है, और उनकी खुशी देख के खुद भी खुश होना चाहिए. सुख सब में बांटना चाहिए. ये सिखाने के लिए हमने पहली सीख देने के लिए वहाँ पे हमने आज इवेंट रखा है. एंड आदित्य ने उसकी लाइफ टाइम यही चीज़ आत्मसात करके उसकी लाइफ बितानी चाहिए, ना कि दूसरों के ऊपर हंसे. जो भी कोई डिसेबल है ये है, तो वी आर ट्राइंग टू टीच हिम दिस थिंग्स. जो भी अपने से कम है उनको हमेशा हेल्प करनी चाहिए.
I think the best moment with Aditya is probably the time when I saw him for the first time and his eyes were open. I would say that has been one of the for me one of the very क्या बोलते हैं dramatic moments, and also realizing that these two had become parents. So a lot of things, not just Aditya but also for their family and stuff, it was quite dramatic for me.
दोनों भी फ्रस्ट्रेटेड रहते थे इसकी कंक्लूजन से, और रात को फिर सोचते थे कि हमने क्यों झगड़ा किया इस बात पे. तो दैट इज द बेस्ट पार्ट इन पेरेंटहुड मुझे लगता है. which color of potty, what he ate, what is his diet. So I'm in the fitness field, तो सब लोग मुझे एडवाइस करते हैं कि अरे उसको खाने को दो, ये करो, वो करो. These are all things I will always remember.
He is now behaving like a doggy.
behalf of Aditya, I'm saying this that Aditya is missing his Baba Daddy so much.
Okay, so my best moments actually is when he visits us, and initially, obviously, I'm a new face, Sajal is a new face, but he would, I think, because I talk loudly and I laugh very loudly, so he used to just keep staring at me. So I used to tease him that, ye tarta bahut hai. So that is one is his favorite thing was just looking at me wherever I went. His eyes would follow me. So that I think always made me feel very important in a way.
One day I was talking to someone and I was so busy talking with the person, and he thought that I'm ignoring him. He directly came to me and he smooched me.
आनंद अश्रू आले त्यामुळे काही सुचतच नव्हतं काय फार तो हुशार आहे असं मला जाणवतं. त्यांच्या आईवडील तर प्रश्नच नाही, त्यांच्या गायडन्स मध्ये आम्ही नक्की पुढे जाऊ.
संपते अंतर झोक्यात टिक टिक वाजते डोक्यात धडधड वाढते ठोक्यात टिक टिक वाजते डोक्यात धडधड वाढते ठोक्यात.
जब मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम इसको हाथ में पकड़ा तो there was all the emotions, everything has come together and I started crying. I was not able to understand what I have to express, but I was crying, that's it.
We knew round about when the baby was due, but when it happened, in fact, it was quite surprising because we got to know once he was born. And I think within 5 to 10 minutes of that, Ashish had sent us the photographs. And I have never seen such a attentive newborn baby. I mean, he was like, his eyes were all there, lit up. And that was for me a very unique experience. And then when I saw him for the first time, I'm not very good with babies. So when I saw him for the first time, he was just such a perfect package. So I think it was a joy to see that at the end of the journey, there was this wonderful little person. And, I think he has his own personality. Even as a newborn baby, there was personality in those eyes, right from the start.
We were informed that Aditya is born. Ashish sent me a SMS or whatever, a picture of him, and he remarked, I mean, what was quite exciting about it is that his eyes were open even though he was 1 day old. So I felt like, okay, ab bhi jana hai. So I think something happened and then I reached there, or it was quite magical to see a one day old, uske aankh vaak khuli hui thi. It was like okay, he's a 25 day old boy. It was very nice.
आणि तो हुशार हा नक्की होणार, तो चांगल्यापैकी नाव कमवणार, जसं त्याचे आजोबा वडील त्याचे सगळ्यांनी नाव कमवलेलं आहे, त्या पद्धतीने आईने नाव कमवलं, तसं तोही नक्कीच नाव कमवेल अगदी, त्याच्याबद्दल गॅरंटी आहे.
ओवरऑल मैं आदित्य एफर्ट्स ले रही हूँ आदित्य के ऊपर, अपनी हर चीज़ छोड़ के. So Aditya should remember all this, and he should always remember that first woman in his life is his mother, and after that everyone will come. That I am possessive about. Not a compulsion, but he should remember all this, and I'm sure that he will do justice with everyone around him. एंड भगवान हमेशा उसके साथ रहे, अगर हम रहे भी या नहीं रहे भी, आदित्य शुड बी दैट कैपेबल.
For me, after 10 years, Adit should be a good human being. That's the first and foremost thing. And he should, I don't want to force him for anything, how he should be. He should be all set free. The way he want to grow up, whatever he likes, whatever he do, it should be free of from all the sides.
There's a specific लोरी आशीष has made डुग्गू के नाम की, और वही लोरी उसको सुनने के, बाकी की लोरी तो मालूम भी नहीं है उसको.
It's डुग्गू 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 मेरा प्यारा डुग्गू, मेरा दुलारा डुग्गू, मम्मी का प्यारा डुग्गू, डुग्गू मेरा अपना, डुग्गू मेरा सपना, डुग्गू डुग्गू डुग्गू. So this is the singer. And end of the day, he should be a good human being. That is the most important thing.
I am not related to you by blood, but I have seen your parents much before they got married, and in a way, I think I represented your father's side, and if I was a Christian, I would be giving your father away. So I acted as the bhabhi and the mother for Ashish, and that was quite a humbling and honoring experience. For everybody, I am the universal bhabhi. So I don't know what you are going to call me, but figure it out. I'm absolutely fine if you call me Vaishali also when you grow up. I don't have a problem with that. But I just wish you a lot of health and wisdom. And when you have health and wisdom, the wealth will come automatically. So God bless.
आदित्य, आप जब बड़े हो, then make sure that you live a honest and a righteous life, and you take care of everybody around you. Also, make sure that you do your parents proud. Okay? So the date is 13th of September 2016.
My parents gave me the complete freedom to be me, and follow whichever religion I wanted. And as a result of that, I found that I picked up the best of both. Whereas, so that is something which I think, both Ashish and Gauri should encourage. They should just, because they come with two different cultures, but both very rich cultures. And to be able to bring it together in Aditya is going to be a challenge, but if they can do it successfully, I think Aditya will have, like an awesome background when it comes to just culture.
बारिश का घर भी पास है, रोके तुझे कोई क्यों भला, संग संग तेरे
तुमचे आशीर्वाद तर त्याला आहेतच, आणि असा खूप मोठा हो.
आई वडिलांना सोडून एकटं राहायचा प्रयत्न करू नका.
उड़ चल कहीं दिल खुश जहां, तेरी तो मंजिल है वही. क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू, मौसम का है